Hi everyone, welcome back. So it's almost 2 weeks from the official launch of Moto Razr Foldable Phone 2019, but still we got the hands-on and some first look images of real Moto Razr 2019 smartphone. So back in 2004 when Motorola introduced its first flip phone Moto Razr V3 smartphone, because of its design and profile the smartphone sold out at 130 million smartphone at that year. But after that Motorola also introduced its second generation of flip phone, but that does not work very well. Now after a year of leaks and rumors about the upcoming 2019 flip phone from Motorola that come with a foldable display, and man, the Motorola already announced that the Moto Razr 2019 flip phone launched at 13 November 2019. So here is some hands-on images of Moto Razr 2019 smartphone. Okay, first if you look at the inner display of the smartphone, it looks like very long, skinny and flexible display. So on the front there is a earpiece, front facing camera, and there is a middle on the display, there is a hinge mechanism. The aspect ratio is tall and skinny. It looks like 23:9 aspect ratio, which also seen in Motorola patent drawing. Now if you look at the secondary display of the smartphone, come with very limited functions such as notification, cameras and other stuff, but the smartphone come with 400:900 aspect ratio. In the secondary display you can also take picture with your primary camera. That's very cool. Well, what also not clear how this design will work for a flexible display. A flexible display can't be completed fold, and we see very manufacturer deal with this in difficulties as Samsung Galaxy Fold does not fold flat. But in the case of Razr smartphone, the smartphone completely fold and there is no gap between the smartphone. So while smartphone come with USB Type-C, a Snapdragon 710 processor, a 6GB RAM, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, 128GB internal storage, and yeah, while there is no official date when the smartphone come to hands on, because there is one image when there's mentioned some registration, that's mean the smartphone does not come very quickly out of the market. So yeah, that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button, let me know your thought in the comment section. I will catch you in next video. Till then, goodbye.